हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू दी नडी सिनेफाइल। किसी भी सक्सेसफुल सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स बनाने के लिए एक प्रॉपर प्लानिंग का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, वरना वो वाईआरएफ के स्पाई यूनिवर्स की तरह हाफ बेक्ड बन के रह जाता है। इसलिए आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे 5 इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ों की जो लोकेश को करनी होंगी इन ऑर्डर टू बिल्ड अ प्रॉपर लोकेश सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स और पॉपुलरली नोन एज एलसीयू। Every universe needs a foundation and for the LCU that foundation was Kathy. फिल्म इंट्रोड्यूस करती है LCU के फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर लिली को, who is a convict that later turned into protector. Kathy is popular among audiences because of its raw action sequences and gritty tone. But ever since Master, Kathy के सीक्वल को कई बार डिले किया गया है। Kathy 1 रिलीज हुई थी 2019 में एंड आज 6 साल बाद भी उसके सीक्वल का कुछ अता पता नहीं है। If Lokesh is serious about building this universe, Kathy 2 has to come first. Not just as a sequel, but as a way to reestablish the base. अगर LCU का एक serious cinematic universe बनना है, then they have to feed at least 1 to 2 LCU films every year to the audiences, and Kathy 2 should be the perfect reset button. अगर आप लोगों ने विक्रम देखी है, then you already know how Surya's cameo as Rolex in the film stole the entire limelight in just 5 minutes. Rolex has that kind of charisma and menace most universes dream of in a villain. विक्रम मूवी में उसका कैरेक्टर क्यूरियोसिटी तो बिल्ड करता है, लेकिन देर आर मैनी थिंग्स दैट वी डोंट नो अबाउट हिम, लाइक वेयर डिड ही कम फ्रॉम और हाउ डिड ही राइज टू द पावर. Honestly, Rolex has the potential to be Thanos of the LCU, but for that, he desperately needs a standalone film. A movie जो deep dive करे into his origin, his empire and his madness. Otherwise, ये character just एक cool cameo बन के रह जाएगा, without any real weight. Also, the hype for a Rolex solo film would be insane. Lokesh is already working with the biggest stars of Tamil cinema, चाहे वो थालापति विजय हो, कमल हासन हो या सूर्या हो, and honestly, that's amazing. But it is also risky because many a times the storytelling takes a backseat due to the star power, and if that happens, this universe will crumble. Kathy worked so well because it wasn't just about stars, rather it was about story that is grounded and connected. And LCU needs to keep that DNA intact. Shanil, in an interview, himself said that building a universe with big superstars is extremely difficult, and I agree because they can't always fully commit. For example, हम लियो की बात करें तो लोकेश merged this film into the LCU, but then Vijay left films and joined the politics. These things break the continuity, और किसी भी सक्सेसफुल यूनिवर्स में continuity का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So Lokesh needs to ensure that storytelling stays at the center and not just the stardom. Another big problem with the LCU right now is the lack of a consistent tone and style. For example, Kathy was a gritty, raw action thriller film, whereas Vikram went to slick, stylish with a mix of commercial appeal and high-octane action sequences. And Leo was तो honestly just a fan service movie for the विजय थालापति fans. एक यूनिवर्स के लिए उसकी आइडेंटिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, एंड अब तक की रिलीज तीनों फिल्म्स only brings confusion to this identity. Like, is it dark or grounded? Is it flashy and stylized, or is it leaning towards the star worship? This inconsistency breaks immersion because unlike the MCU, which always had a baseline style, even when the directors experimented, LCU still doesn't have that unifying language जो यूनिवर्स की सारी फिल्म्स को जोड़ के रखता है. If you are planning a cinematic universe, you need a planned destination and end game. Marvel had Thanos, DC tried to set up Darkseid, but here we have nothing. We don't know what connect these stories or where they are headed. If Lokesh wants the LCU to survive in long term, he needs to map out the final conflict, the big villain, and how each film slowly builds towards the climax. Right now, it feels like we are watching amazing individual films, but not a unified saga. Just like in YRF Spy Universe. So that's it for the video. ये थे मेरे 5 regions which I think Lokesh has to fix as soon as possible if he wants to survive his Lokesh cinematic universe. बाकी आप लोगों का क्या opinion है about the LCU? Tell me in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe this channel for more cinema related content. मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए stay nerdy and stay hopeful.